A 70-year-old maverick doctor from a small Hunza village of India has leaked the secret recipe of a blue Alpha Tonic that boosts your manhood and gives you an iron-hard erection. Hello friends, I am Roy and today I am giving the complete review of Alpha Tonic dietary supplement. According to a recent clinical trial, average modern men have 40% lower testosterone levels than their grandfathers. But why? Well, it is the modern eating habits, work ethics, and stressful life. Most of you might already know the reason behind low testosterone levels, but the good news is the Alpha Tonic, which is an exotic tonic from a tranquil valley located deep in the Himalayan mountains. This tonic claims to make you lean, strong, and sexually active even in your 60s and 70s. The Alpha Tonic features a blend of adaptogens, herbs, concentrated plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals with a singular purpose, to boost natural testosterone levels without side effects. Alpha Tonic Supplement is one of the popular male health-enhancing supplements in the market. Prepared in an FDA-registered facility, it has a completely natural formula with no added artificial components. It contains no stimulants and is gluten-free, hence, entirely safe for your intake. Alpha Tonic was created by a group of professionals who wanted to provide struggling males with a natural formula to enhance their testosterone levels. Every ingredient used in its formula was finalized after years of research and trials. There have been no artificial additions, and the formula has been manufactured in a GMP-certified facility. Benefits of Alpha Tonic: boost your testosterone levels and sexual desire. Provide you more energy and stamina for better sexual encounters. Improve erection quality and sperm count. Help you lose weight by reducing cravings. Burn fat by boosting your metabolic rate. Enhance your cognitive performance and brain energy. How does Alpha Tonic help in enhancing performance? Alpha Tonic contains powerful natural nutrients that have supported testosterone production, sexual performance, immunity, and overall health in men for years. The A-grade nutrients not only boost testosterone and sexual stamina, but they also burn excess fat and make you look shredded and lean. Alpha Tonic works wonders inside your body and helps in boosting your physical performance through its effective formula. With natural ingredients like boron, panax ginseng, zinc, ashwagandha, and others, the supplement increases the testosterone levels in your body and enhances your energy levels. How to use the Alpha Tonic. Here's how the manufacturer of the Alpha Tonic recommends using the formula. Mix 1 scoop of the Alpha Tonic in a glass of water, a shake, or your favorite beverage. Sit back and relax while your body is infused with powerful nutrients to detoxify, boost testosterone, increase physical and mental energy, and boost sex drive. Does Alpha Tonic have any side effects? There are no reported side effects of the dietary supplement. Its natural blend of ingredients has been through a series of tests and trials before being finalized and approved. Though, if you are someone with an underlying medical condition, then do consult with a professional physician beforehand. The Alpha Tonic pricing, discounts, and deals. Alpha Tonic normally retails at a price of $99 per bottle. As part of a promotional discount offering 2023, however, you can pay as little as $49 for a bottle of the Alpha Tonic. Refund policy and bonuses. Alpha Tonic comes with a money-back guarantee of 180 days. It comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and the credit for the same goes for its natural formula and effective results. Though, if you are not entirely satisfied with the quality or if the results of the supplement are not up to your expectations, then you are free to claim a refund. To promote Alpha Tonic in 2023, the makers of the formula have launched 2 free ebooks. By reading these ebooks before taking the supplement, you can enhance its effects. The 2 bonus ebooks include High Testosterone Shortcuts and 24-Hour Stamina Guide. Are customers satisfied with using Alpha Tonic? Currently, the Alpha Tonic has become a highly popular and high-demand male virility and vitality supplement. This product has been used by thousands of men, and they are very happy with the results. So friends, After watching this review video of Alpha Tonic Male Health Enhancing Supplement, if you buy it and get discount offer, so buy only from official website. Thank you for watching.